Oh, so it's the craziest experience I've ever had. Just out of nowhere, a storm came up, a windstorm over the rocks, and the winds must have been at least 80 miles an hour. It completely flipped the tent. I don't know where Allie is, but for 10 minutes I was upside down in the tent using my sleeping pad to protect my head because I couldn't tell if rocks were coming down. It was just a lot of sand. Oh my god, I don't know where my shoes are. I've got my tent flipped back over. I got to put the fly back on, and now I have to find Allie. So the tent did definitely save me, but it's ripped. This is the hole that was ripped in my fly last night when my tent was tipped upside down, and on the other side of the fly door it's completely ripped. This one's a problem because if it rains I'm gonna get soaked. This should be, that's the zipper. This is now my tent fly. Oh god, it's a clean rip though. This is the inside of my tent. Because the tent flipped completely upside down, so I had actually the tent floor protecting me. And then I put my inflatable sleeping pad over my head and crouched down to protect my head. And I got lucky. I really got lucky. Now the issue is my shoes. I keep my shoes outside my tent door, and they've gone flying. Allie is in a ditch, and I really need shoes to put on to walk across these rocks. I have very sensitive feet, and I never walk barefoot, so this is going to be fun. I'm really hoping I find my shoes. The big thing though is I have my glasses, so without those I'd be really screwed. So Allie's in a slight ditch. It looks like she just rolled down, and I have shoes, so this is good. Got my tent flipped over. It's ripped, but it's okay. It doesn't look like it was a rock slide. It just looks like this is a huge, nasty wind, and I get to live another day. I have shoes. They're going to be wet, but that's fine. I wish I had been able to record that storm. With my tent completely upside down, I couldn't find anything, and the wind was just howling. I've never been in winds that strong, and my biggest concern was protecting my head if rocks were coming down. There's security cameras here, so I'm hoping maybe they got some of the footage. And I am just filthy. My tent pole got completely bent from the wind last night. And then this one too. Allie is absolutely filthy. So I'm spending the night here at Rostam in the prayer room, and I feel very lucky because my tent is damaged and there's more storms coming tonight. And this was offered to me, and I'm incredibly grateful for prayer rooms in Iran.